Hi guys, this week we're doing a watermelon mojito. First you're going to grab a bunch of mint and throw it into your shaker tin. I'll explain why this is a little weird, it's just a voiceover this week in a second. Next you're going to add 1 ounce of agave syrup or any other sweetener that you like. Pour that on in. Then you're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. So what are the problems we had? Well, we had audio problems. You'll see that at the end of the video. And then this mysterious creature decided to stay in the frame the whole time at the end, and you'll see that too. I talked to him, or myself. Pour that in. Now we're going to muddle this. Just a little bit, just to get some of those essential oils out of the mint and get everything dancing together. You run into these issues when you have this one-man operation that I'm running here. And my dogs don't have thumbs, so it's just me. Ding ding. Alright, next we're gonna add our ice. So this is a watermelon mojito, and what I did was something special. I juiced the watermelon and then I turned it into ice cubes, but I didn't freeze it all the way so that it's a little bit soft, so that when I shake it up, then it breaks up, and that's where we get the red color from, but it also will add just a concentrated watermelon flavor. Not only that, but with regular ice you would get dilution, and instead of this it just makes the watermelon that more potent. Okay, next we're going to add 2 ounces of our light rum. This rum's actually a blend of Jamaican and Barbadian rums, along with the burn that comes with the rum. It's got a lot of citrus notes, some melon and banana, and it's kind of funky. It's nice. Now we just pour that in, and now we're getting ready to shake. Also guys, if you really want to see a funny thing, wait until the end of the video. I'll show you all the issues that I had making this damn cocktail. Also, you don't have to make watermelon ice cubes. You can just muddle the watermelon into the drink. Here we go. Throwing some more ice in, doing all that, and then we're going to shake. That was the watermelon ice, hence the pinkish reddish hue on the ice cubes. Duh. Now we're shaking still. We're trying to bust up those ice cubes, and then we're going to dirty pour it into our glass. We don't need it to strain anything because it's a little chunky, plus we want the ice cubes in, so you're getting everything. You're getting the mint, you're getting the cubes, all the booze, and me. And we're still shaking. Jesus. Oh, we're finally done. Then we're just going to crack this. Tap, tap, tap. Now we just need to grab our glass. You can use any pint glass or rocks glass that you have. I find that a medium height glass works perfectly. Now we're just going to pour it in. Don't worry, it's not super sloppy and looks like a smoothie like it kind of looks like right now. Since we juiced the watermelons and didn't just muddle them into the drink, there's not a lot of texture here. It's just, with everything mixing around in there, it gets a little thicker, and there you go. When it cools off, that's what you get. But anyways, here we go. All we do now is garnish with some mint, and now it's time to drink. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. It's Friday. Cheers. Here's the watermelon mojito. Don't forget to wait until the end. Woo! I just realized that's there. It's great. That's how I focus, because this is a one-man operation. So that's my face. Just shit.